Imagine creating cinematic masterpieces, jaw-dropping product commercials, and viral content that stops the scroll, all without a Hollywood budget or a massive production team. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or filmmaker, this is your chance to unlock the future of video production. Today, we're breaking down exactly how you can use an AI tool to create professional, high-impact videos, effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, by the end of this masterclass, you'll walk away with actionable skills to take your content to the next level. Let's dive in. To create any video using AI tools, you have to write the story, generate images and videos, and then combine them with a video editor. But what if I tell you that you can do it with only one tool called AIVIdeo? Yes, that is possible. With AIVIdeo, you can create storytelling, cinematic, product marketing, commercials, or any kind of video within a few clicks. Its unique features like animated diagrams, historical photos, web links, sound effects, voiceover, and word art make it more powerful. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there. Once you're on this page, click Get Start and create an account. Once you're logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you may find some of my previous generation. You will find two options to create videos. Generate a complete video from a script or topic and explore it from scratch in the editor. The second option gives you more control over video generation, but takes a huge amount of time and effort. Here, you have to follow a few steps to create the videos. I will talk about this feature later. First, I will go with Generate Complete Video from Script or Topic. This is basically to create videos within a few clicks. You don't need any expertise or even a story. These are all templates. You will find a bunch of options like commercial, horror, science facts, 3D, CCTV, cinematic, explainer, and many more. You have to just select as per your need. For example, I want to create a horror or scary video, so I am selecting the cinematic template. After selecting the template, simply click on the next button from here. This is the video creator page. Here, first, we have to enter the concept of our video. You can simply enter a video topic or enter the full script. I am entering a story idea about a scary story of a female writer. After entering the idea, give a detailed context here. After entering the script or video details, select the types of media you want to include in your video. You can go with AI video, AI image, stock video, and word art. As I am generating a cinematic video with a fictional character, I will go with the AI video. Next, we have to define our style. You will get some style here. However, you can upload your own style also. At this moment, I will go with the cinematic style. Okay, next, we have product or character reference. Here, you can upload a product image if you are creating a product video and any character image if you want to create a consistent character video. According to my script, we have one character, and I am uploading the character images I created earlier with Flux 1.1 Pro. Now, enter the name of the character and then describe the character. Now, you have to describe your target audience. You can skip it also. Next, in the additional settings, we have set the duration of the video. Then, we have Agent Strategy. Here you will find two options. The first one is to realistic and dynamic to create a more dynamic video, and the second one is to create a more consistent video. Alright, after that, set the aspect ratio. At this moment, you can create videos in landscape and portrait orientation. Next, you have to select a voiceover from here. After every voice actor, you will find the use cases. So, select a voice actor that matches your content. After that, we have to choose the caption style. Here you can notice various styles. Select one of those. After that, select a background music style. Just mention your music style. I am typing a horror film trailer. Next, enable the sound effects. I will keep it on. In the end, if you want to save this as a custom template to use in the future, then you can save it as a template. It will save time for you. Alright, once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. AIVIdeo has started its work. It will take some time. So, let's fast forward this part. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Maria had always wanted to write the perfect horror story, but after 3 novels and countless rejections, perfection seemed impossible to reach.
Just need to finish this chapter. Just one more chapter.
That's when she first noticed the changes. Small at first, A flickering light, a creaking floorboard, the sensation of being watched. Her latest story was different. The words seemed to flow effortlessly, as if someone else was guiding her hands.
This isn't right. These aren't my words.
The story was writing itself through her, each word drawing...
That's really amazing. So, now you can create amazing scary story videos in just a second. Now, to download the video, click on the download icon from here. To edit the video, click on the edit button from here. Here I found I needed some customization, so I am clicking on the edit button. It will redirect you to the advanced video editing or video creator page. Here, in the visual section, you can generate images and videos from text prompts and turn your images into videos using the most popular and powerful AI image and AI video generators. Next, in the voiceover section, you can create and customize voiceover clips. In this method, you can customize the sound effects, BGM, and captions. In the end, you will find the transitions. Now preview the video and do the customization where needed. I will generate some new video clips. To do that, I need some very rich prompts. Don't worry, ChatGPT will help us create the prompts. You just have to follow me to create a great video. Come to the voiceover section. Here, you will find all the voiceover clips. Now, we will create a script file from these voiceover clips. Go to the timeline and listen to the first voiceover clip. Now, find the first voiceover clip from the voiceover library. Click on it, and you will find the text of the voiceover in the text box. Copy the text box and open a doc file. We have to paste it here. As it is the narration, I am typing VO for better understanding. After pasting the first voiceover text, come to the AI video again and find the second voiceover clip. Copy the text and come back to the doc file. As this one is dialogue of my protagonist, I am typing her name and then pasting the text. Now, in the same method, find all the voiceovers and copy the text to create a perfect script according to the order. Alright, my script is ready. Now, I will generate the scene and prompts for every scene. To do that, log into your ChatGPT account. Navigate to the prompt box and type, "I have a horror story, now I want to make a video on it." After that, I am entering a ready prompt that I will put in the description box. After entering the prompt, paste the script you created earlier, and then hit the send button. And you can see that ChatGPT generates prompts for us. But there is a catch. It didn't generate perfect prompts. To solve this issue, simply type, "Please write all the prompts in a single line for all the clips and hit the send button." Now it's perfect. Okay, our prompts are ready. Now, I will create the visuals with these prompts. So, come back to the AIVIdeo Usal tab. First, I will create images. So, select the image from here. Now, select the image generation model. Here, you will find various options like Luma Photon, Recraft, Ideogram, Flux, and SD. If you select Luma Photon, then you can add a character reference. However, I created the character description. So, for better results, I will use Flux 1.1 Ultra to generate the image. After selecting the model, enter the first prompt here in this box and then hit the generate button. After waiting some time, I got this result. And look at the image. It's just amazing. Okay, now, to create the second image, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Here, you can notice the character description is not in the prompt. So, I will copy the character description from the first prompt and insert it after the character name. Once done, hit the generate button. And this is our second image. Okay, now, in the same method, generate all the images from all the prompts. Alright, our images are ready. Now we have to turn them into video clips. To do that, select the first image we generated just now. After selecting the image, click on the right button of your mouse. Here you will find some options. We have to select the generated video from this image, and we are now in the image to video mode. You can change the video generation model from here. There are a bunch of options like Kling, Luma, and Minimax available here. You can choose any one from here. I will go with Kling 1.6 Pro. After selecting the video generation model, copy the first prompt and paste it into the prompt box, and then hit the generate button. You can customize the settings if needed. Okay, here's our video clip, and it's just amazing. I love this one. Now, in the same method, generate all the video clips. AIVIdeo allows 4 generations at a time. It will save you time. Okay, All of our video clips have been generated. Now it's time to put them into the timeline. You just have to drag and drop the video clips into the timeline. So, do it according to the need. Take proper time to adjust the duration and positions. Once the video clip is placed, come to the Transitions tab. Here you will find all the transition effects. Now, drag and drop all the translation clips between the scenes. It will make our video smoother. Alright, we are done. Before moving forward, let me talk about another interesting feature called AI Edit. If you are tired of manual editing, then you can use AI Edit. Here, you just have to enter a text command, and the rest will be done by AI. For example, I am asking to generate a new BGM clip for this video. And our BGM is ready. We will find it in the Music tab. Now, you can just drag and drop the music clip in the timeline. In this method, you can customize the video and make it super engaging. Okay, once everything is set, hit the download button to download the video clip. As it will take some time, I will fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Maria had always wanted to write the perfect horror story, but after 3 novels and countless rejections, perfection seemed impossible to reach.
Just need to finish this chapter. Just one more chapter.
That's when she first noticed the changes. Small at first, a flickering light, a creaking floorboard, the sensation of being watched. Her latest story was different. The words seemed to flow effortlessly, as if someone else was guiding her hands.
This isn't right. These aren't my words.
The story was writing itself through her, each word drawing something closer, something that had waited centuries for the right vessel.
Who's there?
She had wanted to write the perfect horror story. Instead, the perfect horror story had chosen to write itself through her.
No, please.
Sometimes the price of perfection is everything.
This is just amazing. So, now you can create this kind of high-quality cinematic video using AIVIdeo. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comments section. Alright, not only cinematic video, you can also create amazing commercial video using AIVIdeo. To create a commercial video, after coming to the dashboard, click here and then select the product marketing template. Now, like before, we have to enter the video details or script. I am simply asking for a commercial for this product. After that, in the media type section, I am selecting AIVIdeo only. Next, in the visual style settings, I will choose realistic. Next, in the product or character reference, I will mention the product and then upload a product image of the selected product. After that, set the target audience. In the additional settings, set the duration, agent strategy, and orientation. Next, in the voiceover, I won't use any voiceover this time as well as the caption. Okay, now set the music and sound effects. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now we have to wait some time. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look. This is just amazing. And if you find any issues, you can fix them with advanced editing features. Once everything is set, hit the export button and download the video. Alright, now let's see how we can generate a high-quality viral fact-based explainer video. To do so, we have to choose the explainer template. After selecting the template, simply enter the video details or script in this box. Next, in the media type section, I will select all the media types. Next, set the visual style. This time I won't use any product or character reference. Okay, next, set the target audience and other additional settings including agent strategy, orientation, voiceover, captions, music, and sound effects. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is, our video is ready.
Why the Earth spins? It's a question that dates back to ancient stargazers, yet the answer is surprisingly simple. Billions of years ago, as the solar system formed, clouds of gas and dust collapsed under gravity. The collapse caused a spin, just like figure skaters spin faster when pulling in their arms. That momentum stuck, and voila! The Earth has been spinning ever since, with no force to stop it. This spin gives us day and night, our rhythm of life, and and a connection to the universe's physics. Pretty amazing.
So, now in this method, you can create any kind of high-quality video within a few minutes or a few clicks. So, if you are a content creator or product marketer, don't forget to try this tool. The good news is that you can start your journey with this amazing tool for only $19 per month. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating videos with AIVIdeo. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!